So now we're going to insert some more records, and all the records need to be that in revenue in one of those states. So to do this quick, just going to grab this, and I know select star from customers. I've got 11 so far, right? So I'm going to open up just an editor. I'll take a second. And just randomly, just going to create a new directory, O2, and then in there create a new, I don't know, let's want a new file. And this new file will be temp.txt. And then there, and I'm already at 11, so it's going to be 12. Well, it'd be easier if well, I guess that works. And this will be 13, and this will be 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. And then I'm just going to, I don't know, I'll just add X to the end of all the names. Just to make the names different. These are the new records I'm inserting. And then I need values, and my values need to be between 8,000 and 12,000. Oh, I was doing hundreds. So 9,000, we'll do 8,000 here. And what did I do on that first one? Greater than 1,000, less than 1,000. That's fine. I'll change these. No, I guess we'll just leave that, 8,000 and 12,000. So 8,000, 11,000, 9,950, 10,500, 10,250. And we'll do this one at like 7,750 just to not have one. And we'll do this one at 13,000. And we'll do this one right at 12,000. And we'll do this one right at 8,000. And we'll do this one at 9,999. All right, copy that, come back here, paste it, insert into customers, values, boom. And now do my select. And I have all those different values. And now the question asks me, create a query that selects records with revenue between 9,000 and 11,000. So select star from customers where C revenue between 8,000 and 12,000. 9,000, 11,000. Does that look right? Using between? That's pretty amazing, isn't it? Databases are amazing. So I'm going to copy into the homework, this area here. Here is the insert. And we'll copy this one. Let's save that and see what it looks like. See if it wrapped it. Oh, cool. Brought it in as code. Looks pretty. So when you look at that now, like how many people that's starting to look familiar? Strange thing about the human mind, it becomes familiar with the unfamiliar. It learns its environment, learns how to communicate within that environment, operate in that environment. All right, so I was inserting records and using between.